I tried my best to be guarded. Now I'm an open book instead. And I still see your reflection inside of my eyes, that are looking for purpose, they're still looking for life. I'm fine.